so deep throat, gyal, get the trophy.
Gyal we suck off dick, fan a jazz me a bust her feet. Say she a bad freak. Easy, suck and spit.
Voila.
Wanna play me DJ? I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too.
What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit, another smash, another bang. And people don't know, see the cycle and see what I'm going today, you know. You see me? Today we are react to none other than a DJ, the teacher, world boss. Who me attack, you don't know, Vybz Kartel. Today we are react to when I sang them off my new album, Dance and Divas. That track is entitled Bad Gyal. But I don't see title already. We're going to react and see what I'm going. We're going to listen to the song and see what I'm going. You see me? Yeah, man. So, yeah, this is the audio, not the video. So, we're going to check it out and see what I'm going. You don't know, say the track featuring the likes of Skillibeng, Jucee Froot, and Tommy Lee. You don't know, say, I must have a mad collab. That sounds like a mad collab, don't it? One thing. Before the track even start, one thing. You see me? Yeah, man. Sound like a real dope track. So, we're going to check it out, see what I'm going. So, you don't know what we do it over here, people. Well, if you're new, you don't know what we do it over here. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you get the videos as soon as I upload them. For my returning viewers and subscribers, I really love this love and support you guys are giving me. I appreciate everything. You guys are the best. You guys are the greatest. We're getting lit over here. Remember, we're shooting for the stars, guys. Yeah, please go ahead and, yo, guys, please, I'm you now support. You see me? You might not like the song, you see me, but I'm you now support when you like the video them. You see me? So like up the video them so other people can see my videos, even if you don't like the song them. You see what I say? So go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notification bell so I get my videos as soon as I upload it. Don't know so we cover that, so like a big best channel. Upcoming surprises and giveaways are coming. So definitely want to stay tuned. You see me? So before me get in the track, let me take a sip on me. What that? Yeah, man, look at it. I cool, man. Bomba, let's go down and find the car so go down. You see me? So I'm saying, grab one. You see me? But anyway, without further ado, we're going to jump. This is not sponsored by me, but without further ado, hey, no, let's go. Yo, somebody sponsor our mask, I don't know, show me, you know, see me? I say, don't put on video. But anyway, I jump right into the track, right into the video. This is Vybz Kartel, new track off our new album. This is entitled Bad Gyal, featuring Skillibeng, Jucee Froot, and Tommy Lee. You see me? I'll jump right in the track. Let's get it. We'll have a little country type of salty, don't it? This instrumental sound kind of country like, eh? Kartel instrumental sound different. The first thing come out to the tune for the rap beat. Yeah, see me, we never get, you know, so I never really listen to the tune, I never do a reaction to it. But yeah, man, you go to a beat, me hear it from your body and make fun and say, white boy and thing. We never listen to that song, they don't, yo, I do a video to that. So maybe no want to see a video to that song. But you know, this song kind of country, don't it? Let's get it. Skillibeng and Tommy Lee on the same track, dog. I see the call about coming anytime soon. Big up Skillibeng, I'm the first artist I do on my channel, but big up him myself, man, reach damn far. The man they on a blood clear on Kartel album in the first year, dog. Brother, that's normal. Let's get it.
Bubble up now. Bad girl, big bumper, pretty cute face, happy fuck that. Ride it. Bubble up now. Push it in hard up in your bumper. Here a world boss, what's a nut now? Skin it out, girl, open up your front so deep throat, girl, get the trophy.
Gyal we suck off dick, fan a jazz me.
Yo, from me here, Skillibeng jumping me, I have to pause it, brother, what man say? Gyal we suck off, what? Gyal we do what? Hold on there, man, you man say bad gyal. Big bumper, pretty cute face, I feel fuck that. Bumbo clean Kartel. Hold on, let's take it from the top, brother. Take it from the top. Kartel no easy, you know. Pump up, push it in hard up in the mouth, boy. You know? Blood clot, Jambisco, man. Hey.
Oh, girl, open up your front so deep throat, girl, get the trophy.
Gyal we suck off dick, can a jazz me a bust off it. Say she a bad freak. Easy, suck and spin.
Hold on. What do you think about that? More clean. What do you think about entry on that one day? What do you think of the Skillibeng just starting, but y'all will suck off dick? Yeah, we not more clean.
We are the wave like Hawaii. Gyal I give me pussy no warning. No pussy in my face, me no fuck and kiss. Gyal still a suck me dick. Yes sir. She make depression disappear in seconds. Landlord pay tenant.
You hear that? Hey.
She have way she clever. She know for shake it pleasant, make it roll sinister. She blow my better fucking intellectual passage. Job exam anyway, girl. Pure reflection. The mirror say you ride me better. Me love every girl, but me have a type me prefer.
Bad girl, big
Oh, God. Your man said me love every girl, but me have a type for me prefer. I can't say bad girl, big bumper. Hey.
pretty cute face.
Body love bad girl, you know that.
Ride it.
Why do you love bad girl? Go on. Nobody love good girls and more. I'll be a badness. Bad man, bad girl, everything. I feel bad. The bad gun, bad car, bad everything. Bad clothes, everything I feel bad. Nobody know I be good no more. Go on. Yo, send me the good girls them. Yo, send the good girls them my way. See me, I say no wrong to be a good girl or a good guy. You see me, I say I'm a good man or a good person. I have a good car, the good things. You see me, give me the good things them. You see me, I say the good girl them. You see me, that me say, but
Bubble up now. Push it in hard up in your bumbo. You're a world boss, what's a nut now? Skin it out, girl, open up your front so deep throat, girl.
Real bad girl, she a knocky. Sometimes she could work for the money. I think she look like a Barbie.
Bumbo clad Tommy Lee. I don't know tell me a Tommy Lee about artist, so I don't know to play. Yeah, man, come in now, man. Real bad girl, she a Bumbo clad.
Shot the flying to your fire, cause she a do it always. Always, she a do it always. If you're in a hot girl, what do you call that? Put on my phone and I call back. Touching at the club and the girl in my go on bad. Money does.
Yeah, man, I go on, dog. Here, how the man I go on. Yeah, I rap him and I rap on the beat in my G. Tommy Lee, me G. Because the man versatile, yeah, man, versatile like Kartel. You see me, I say, rap the man rap on the blood clean beat, dog. The man say, yo, what you call it? Money doesn't give out a little bit. Pull up it. Run it.
Deep throat, girl.
Real bad girl, she a knocky. Sometimes she could work for the money. I think she look like a Barbie. Shot the flying to your fire, cause she a do it always. Always, she a do it always.
Listen to what I say. Listen.
If you're in a hot girl, what do you call that? Put on my phone and I call back. Touching at the club and the girl in my go on bad. Money does a fly up my Louis Vuitton bag.
Bumbo clear, yeah, man say. Touching on the club and the girl in my go on bad. Money does a fly out of my Louis Vuitton bag. Bumbo clear, easy yourself. Let's start playing with blood click family, G. Yo, run it.
My girl ever ready for fly back. Military training, no need a dog tag. Them a send shot on a bullet, she send back. Tell the boy get her, she sell like a drink.
Bad girl, big bumper.
Yo! Any boy get it when she select the Drake car. Bad girl, you see me? You see me, I say, yo, I'm not gonna lie now. I love you, good girl, but a good for your love, I be you know if you knock it sometimes. You see me, yo. You see me, point it out and you know, squeezed. Hey, right on! Bumbo clap! Yeah, I said that. The man, man, I said that. Yeah, man. Sometimes you just have to have, yeah, me nah lie, you have to bad, you have to good, you have to, hey, run the track!
Bubble up now. Push it in hard up in your bumbo. You're a world boss, what's a nut now? Skin it out, girl, open up your front so deep throat, girl, get the trophy.
With a pump, give it to me like you owe some. Sliding. I I ride it. Beat that booty like a drum. Take it out and put it on the tongue. Wind it, grind it. I'm here for you, find me. First, let's take it slow. You can get control. But first, I need to calm down. Watch my body roll. Then I touch my toes. This pussy, what you want now? Give me. No, I got to slide this sticky. I also dig the beat pretty. Like it makes you get it eager like you big. Why you ain't sticky?
Bad girl, big bumper, pretty cute face, have you fuck that?
Jucee Froot is a girl. Okay, good. Come on, I wonder what kind of blood clean in that, but good. You see me I say. And people that me all forgot for that, yo, if you like the track, please go ahead and hit the smash the like button. You see me I say? Let me know if you don't like it. And go ahead, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I don't know. You see me? If you don't like the track, you see me if you like my video and smash the like button. You see me? You see me? Smash the like button supporting my videos, not just track. You don't like the track. You see me I say? So just smash the like button. If you do like this track, definitely go support the. You see me, the king of dancehall, man. Go support the artist, show him some love, comment. Tell him say Jambisco sent you. You see me? You don't know how we do it over here, so people. You don't know. We show support to the artist, them. You see me? And love and united. You know, we have enjoy music. That's what they have to do. You see me? Yeah, man. Real dope track from the artist, man. Definitely, please. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. You see me? Like, comment, and share. You see me? And turn on post notification, upcoming shoutouts and giveaways that come people. Trust me, don't want to be so upon that. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Let's get back in the track.
Ride it,
You see me? Run the track!
ride it. Bubble up now. Push it in hard up in your bumbo. Here a world boss, what's a nut now? Skin it out, girl, open up your front so. Deep throat, girl, get the trophy.
Got me love it too. Girl, the band like taboo. Fuck it, them I spit on you. Girl, I get the bitch, I love your own piece, boy.
Oh, the blood clot! Yo, probably the part of other shit you. I want to go on. Spit down, this and. You must okay, take me G. Easy. Run the track. Easy! Bumbo clock, easy does it. Bumbo clock. You see me and say blood fleet. Yo, right boss? You see me from behind bars, but dog, you know, hold it. You see me from behind bars, you still go hard. You see like you're in the place hot, me G. You see me and say, nah, lie man, really dope track. What do you think, people? Let me know in the comment section. You see me and say, you see me, what do I deal with? Let me know which part you are watching the video from. You see me? Let me know in the comment section, man. You see me? I want to think about the track and I want to think about my videos. I want to know and see on my channel. You see me? I say, I want to know how to deal with it. So let me know. And I'll start out the thing, them people. And you see me? I say, keep going, keep the channel growing. And you see, it's all love. We one family over here. You see me? I say, one gang, one family. You see me? You see me? I say, don't know a reaction like this. You see me? I say, Jambisco was here in another hit, another smash, another banger. Love no like cook food. Until next time, stay safe. Love you guys.